Hello guys, welcome to my latest video. This time I will be opening almost ancient cards. Donruss Optic, the first series I believe, 2016-17, the first series of Optic cards, I believe so. So let's begin. First of all, obviously I'll do the same as I usually do. I'll cut open the top of the packs and then slide out the cards. So we'll see. The cards won't get damaged hopefully. Corners, even though the optic cards are quite thick and strong, not that sensitive as like hoops, memorabilia, prestige, and other cards. So that's to begin with. I have 12 packs in total, so obviously hoping for the best rookies. I believe Pascal Siakam, Brandon Ingram, who's there? Carl Anthony Towns, probably. No, he's 1 year earlier, 15-16. So another decent players: KD, Steph Curry, obviously the king, LeBron James. So 12 packs, and anything special? Base aqua, base holo, purple, checkerboard. So any rare cards, it's always nice to get them. So enjoy this video, relax, and watch with me as we gonna go through the whole process together, opening and revealing the packs, what cards we get. So if you have any comments, always feel free to leave them below the video in the comment section. Okay, cards want to get out earlier, but they have to wait. So 4 cards in the pack, and as you know, the current situation is very hard to get by any cards in general. So even the new sets, they start making, then they pause making, then they cancel. Like with the Prism, they canceled, like I believe 1/3 of the whole production. So who knows how many cars didn't got printed and stuff. So, but now we're about Optic 16-17, Donruss Optic, and let's start with the first pack. Fingers crossed. Only the best cards. So let's start. First one, rookie Deonta Davis for the Memphis. Okay, so we put rookies here, veterans here. We have first Holo card. Okay, Nicola Batum. So that's the base. Evan Turner and Markieff Morris. So that's Holo. It's a prism on top. I think these cards are not very well centered, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay, next pack. Georgios Papagiannis, Sacramento. Jaylen Brown, that's one of the rookies we're after. Chandler Parsons. And the holo is KCP for Detroit. Not numbered, just prism. And we see like a cut on top. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, on top. So it's probably factory. Okay, Jaylen Brown. Nice. No cuts. No nothing. Sharp, clean. Happy. First nice rookie. Okay, so he and Jason Tatum, they will do well. And Kemba Walker especially. Probably they will do a good run for the title in this summer bubble camp in Florida. So next pack, Marc Gasol, still from Memphis. Wilson Chandler, and we have a holo card again. Wade Baldwin, the rookie. And who's the holo? Rudy Gobert. Okay, so it's, I believe, is one insert or holo card in per pack. Does it say something? No, just randomly inserted. Yeah, it doesn't say specifically nothing on average. Oh yes, on average, non-base cards are included approximately one in every pack. So 3 base and 1 non-base, so could be insert or could be holo card. Okay, Al Horford for the Boston, Wesley Matthews, Victor Oladipo, and who's that? It's Halo Omri Caspi for the Sacramento. Okay, that's it. Next pack, it's pretty much halfway through, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So pack number 5, CP3. Bojan Bogdanovic, Al-Farouq Aminu, and holo is Rudy Gobert again. Amazing. Not numbered, but it's the second Rudy Gobert, so I'll put it next to him. Okay, so even rookies, they don't fall out one in every pack. So it's very hard to come by. Okay, Jabari Parker, D'Angelo Russell, Skal Labasserie, that's the rookie. And that's probably the insert. Yes, Artis Gilmore for San Antonio. Whole Kings, number 9. Okay, that's that. Next pack. Bradley Beal, Marcus Morris, Dwight Howard, and Gorgie Dieng for the Timberwolves. That's Prism as well. Somebody will put that like this. Insert holo. Okay, DeJounte Murray. As we start off with rookie. CJ McCollum, Julius Randle, and insert Rookie Kings, Jamal Murray. Nice, non-prism, nothing, but still nice. Jamal Murray, he's a good, decent player. Okay, next pack. Jeremy Lamb, Giannis Antetokounmpo, and Zach LaVine. And the holo card is rookie Willie Hernangomez. Not numbered. Giannis. Very nice. Hoping for more of players with that caliber. Okay, next pack, only 2 left. Nicola Batum, Nerlens Noel, Willie Hernangomez, and the holo is CP3. Nice, not numbered. And 2 packs left, so maybe 1 numbered parallel. Let's see how it goes. Klay Thompson, Paul Zipser for the Chicago, the rookie. Rudy Gobert, this time non-holo, just a base, and that's Court Kings, Paul George. Nice. Nice card. Nice card. Okay, put it here. And the last pack. Maybe KD, maybe some holo decent player. Chandler Parsons, Will Barton, Kyle Lowry, and okay, got stacked together. Holo, Court Kings, a bit orange, Eric Bledsoe. So that's it, guys. Last card, Eric Bledsoe. And that will be it. That's all 12 packs gone. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this pack opening as much as I do. And see you in my next videos.